Guys, these last couple of months, people have been making a lot of money trading meme coins, guys. It was so easy. It was a gold rush, guys. All you needed to do was to go on Axiom, to go on BullX, find some coins that just popped on Pump.Fun, see if they were trending on Twitter, buy into it, and you were making 5x, 10x's on a daily basis, guys. It was insane, you know? But now that the market is getting a bit more saturated, that casuals are starting to flood the markets, it's getting harder and harder to get those big 5x's, 10x's trading meme coins, guys. That's why today I basically wanted to show you an alternative method that have been making people a lot of money and that is still working really good today, guys. So look, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna be able to dev meme coin today, guys. So what is meme coin deving? Meme coin deving, basically, guys, the coins that you're buying on Axiom, on Photon, when you're trading, there's always a dev behind them. There's always someone making the coins before you trade them. So, guys, today I'm gonna show you how you're gonna be this guy that is basically deving the meme coins that other people, other traders are gonna buy. Why is it a good method, guys? Because there's way less downside, guys. You're risking less money because if no one buys into your coin, you didn't lose any money. Whereas if you're trading and your trade doesn't do well, or the coin doesn't do well, you're losing 50%, 100% of your account, which can be really, 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 really bad for you. If you don't have a lot of money, if your capital is little. That's why, guys, this method is perfect for people with a small capital to invest into meme coins, into crypto, guys. So, like I said, I'm gonna show you the entire blueprint today. And you know what's the best part? I'm gonna do it for free, guys. So let's get straight to it. So the first part is actually gonna be getting a viral idea. So guys, to get a viral idea, it's simple. It has to be a cultural moment. So something that happened that went viral on TikTok, on Instagram, people are actually talking about it. It also needs to create an emotional shock. So it can be funny, it creates an emotion of, people are laughing about it, it's funny. It can be sadness, it can be distraught, it can be, it just has anger, it just has to create an emotion in the buyer, guys. If your coin doesn't create it, it doesn't do an emotional shock to anyone seeing the coin, it's not gonna perform that well, guys. And also, the most important part, guys, the coin idea has to be not saturated. What I mean by that is basically, guys, it's 2025. I'm not gonna go ahead and launch a Bitcoin. It's more than saturated, guys. It used to work in 2023, 2024, but right now in 2025, guys, it is too saturated. So it's not a good idea, even though it's a cultural moment and it creates an emotional shock. People are laughing about it, but it's too saturated, guys. So after getting a viral idea to do so, you can go on Twitter, you can go on Insta, on TikTok. It's really not that complicated, guys. You need to know to choose where you're gonna launch this coin, guys. So basically, a platform that I use, I'm not affiliated with them, by the way. This video, I'm not sending you any course, I'm not sending you anything. It's all for free because I just want people to make money as I'm making money. So I'm going to show you a platform that I've been using, which is Mintrush.Fun. You know what? I'm going to go right now on the platform to show you how it looks like. But it's basically going to let you create your meme coin for a really small amount. And the best thing is, guys, when you launch a coin on Mintrush, it doesn't get launched with the other coins on Pump.Fun. Why is it a good thing, guys? Because you know that Pump.Fun is getting too saturated. There's too many coins appearing at the second. Your coin, except if you have a bundler, if you're faking volume, if you have a really, really good narrative, your coin is not gonna do well. That's why we want to separate ourselves from Pump.Fun, and we want to launch our coin on a separate platform, which is Raydium, guys. So look, I'm just gonna show you around the Mintrush platform. You know, these coins, for example, here have been launched on Mintrush. They reached crazy market cap. I mean, I hope one day that one of the coins I'm gonna dev is gonna reach this market cap, guys. But for now, we're gonna keep grinding, guys. So look, that's the platform basically. So when you're on Mintrush, guys, the first step would be connecting your wallet to the platform. So to do so, let me just type in my password. So to do so, guys, you just connect it, platform, boom, here it is. So guys, a really, really cool feature in Mintrush.Fun is the copy trending coin feature. Why, guys? Because it basically let you copy coins that are currently trading on Pump.Fun. So you don't even have to do all this research here of, what's a cultural moment, what's an emotional shock, what's not saturated. Mintrush gives you a list of trending coins with a lot of volume that you can just copy with one click. And you're going to get the same amount of buyers because people are going to think that your coin is the real coin. And if you've been trading these last couple of months, I know you've seen some, sometimes the fake coin gets a higher market cap than the real coin. So that's the things that are happening right now when you launch your coin on Mintrush. So let me just show you. You just click on the create coin button here and your coin gets created. It's as simple as that, guys. So you know what? I'm gonna go through the entire process for the video. So let's select a random coin. Let's take this coin, ND. So you click on create coin here. No worries, it's a standard message on all the coin creation platforms, guys. You can just proceed anyway safely. Confirm, confirm. Just wait a little bit and boom, guys, just like that, your token has been successfully created. So look, that's your token address here. You can check it on the Explorer. Let me show you. So that's your token. That's our token on the Explorer. You can double check the coin address. Yeah, it's the same thing. Uh, you can also check it on SoulScan if you want. It takes a little bit of time to update with the coin information, but basically our coin is now created. You can even check your wallet if you want, but our coin is created. So now the next step would be creating the liquidity pool, guys. So you're just going to click on the button here. So when you're going to create the liquidity pool, guys, it's basically going to create a market for your token. So people are going to be able to swap Sol for your token. So they're going to basically be able to buy your tokens. So you just look through your tokens in your wallet. So that's the token we just created. So here, guys, for the SOL amount in the liquidity pool, I would advise you to put around 0.3, 0.4 SOL. So for this video, I'm going to put 0.3 SOL in the liquidity pool. And here, I would advise you to put around 900 million of your tokens, so about 90% of the supply. So, oh, 900 million. Then, guys, what you do, you just click on Add Liquidity. It's going to process the transaction. Yeah, you can proceed anyway. So that's the transaction, guys. It's basically going to create your liquidity pool. You can confirm, confirm, and boom, guys. Just like that, the liquidity pool has been successfully created. So you just gotta wait a little bit. After like a couple of minutes, you hit the refresh button here. Your liquidity pool is gonna show up here. And then I'm gonna show you the next step of the method, guys. Stay tuned. So I just hit on refresh, guys. So after a couple of like a minute or two, that's our liquidity pool. That's our token. So now we're already $43 in profit. So now, guys, I'm gonna wait for a couple of hours to see if buyers are gonna catch up to the coin, if influencers are gonna shell the coin, and I'm gonna show you the results. See. So, guys, I'm back, and whoa, that's crazy. Look, in 4 hours, we are already, whoa, 1,342 SOL in profit, which is absolutely crazy, guys. Look at the return. Now you understand what's the power of deving meme coins, guys. Now you understand how people are actually becoming millionaires overnight with meme coins, guys. It's not about trading. You can make money by trading meme coins, but the big money, the real money, is made by deving these meme coins. And you know what, guys? Just to show you that I'm not capping, I'm going to show you something. Here you can click on remove liquidity. So you can choose the percentage of the liquidity you want to remove, you know? It's basically gonna send you, if you choose 100%, for example, it's basically gonna send to your wallet back the 1,345 SOL. So you're basically gonna remove all the SOL in the liquidity pool. I'm gonna show you the transaction just to show you that everything is real. Look. Look, guys, if I decide to ever remove the liquidity pool, I would receive back in my wallet 1,345 SOL, which is absolutely crazy. So if I click on confirm here, I would receive all the SOL back, guys. So look, it's no cap. It's 100% legit. You can try for yourself.